Do you know you can get paid using Facebook apps free of charge daily by only you don't need any money, you don't need any experience, but just on using Facebook and Facebook apps free. Let me show you this what I mean. Now look here, this is what I mean. Now when you check on this list, like 2020 on March, the web money gave out 102 for $20, $50, $115 and $13 just from Vodafone, from Bitcoin, from web money and payee. So it depends with what you want to choose and what you want to use for you to get paid, and I'll show you the exactly from the first and how to make this and how to maximize this from pages to pages. You see, you can get out from pages to pages. Very many people are being paid. This one is absolutely free that you can do by using your phone or your computer. Now all these people have been paid by only using Facebook. Now let me show this one. This is how much you can earn when you use this Facebook page. Like one Facebook post, you get $7, and if you make like 5 Facebook posts, you get $35. You see, now when you go to 10 Facebook pages, you'll earn up to $70. This one's absolutely free and it's worldwide. You don't have to pay anything, it's free of charge, and you'll get this. It's worldwide. Whenever you go, wherever you want, you'll get this in your phone. And watch this full video until the end, and I will show you how I maximize and earn more using Facebook apps and everything. Now for those ones who are looking for Arnest Digits, make sure you subscribe on Arnest Digits and get this very quickly. Whenever I post any videos on my YouTube channel, it's free of charge. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll receive most of my videos which I produced earlier before. On this video I'll show you step by step and every detail on how to make money on this channel and how to use Facebook to make sure you get more money on your phone and on your computer, and it is completely free of charge. And before I show you the strategy on Facebook, let me show you this is the site, and this is the website where you need to upload. It's called File Upload, where you need to upload your, it's called www.fileuploadapp.org, where when you upload anything on it and people download, you'll be paid on every download that people do per download. So it depends with where you come from, and when you upload anything, it might be good photos or any videos or any memes or gifs that I will show you on this video, and every detail on how to maximize and receive more money whenever you upload anything. You'll be, if people from first world countries download from you, you'll be paid $7. If people from Canada and other countries will be paid $7, but other rest of the world is $3. It looks a very little sum of money, but in this video I'll show you the strategy on how to maximize and receive more money, and follow my steps until the end of this video and I'll show you how to receive more. First of all, as you can see, the step number 1 is to make an account, and I'll show you how to make a worldwide account whereby it's always a few minutes and it's always absolutely free of charge. And step number 2, I'll show you every detail on how to upload a file on social media, and make sure you share with your friends, and whenever they click, you'll start making money, and this strategy is free of charge. And step number 3, I'll show you on how to account and start generating money, and every detail. Make sure you watch this video until the end. And now this is 300,000 members, total members, and the number is growing up, and they've paid more than $500,000 to members, and the number growing up every day. People are being paid every 10 minutes using web money, using Skrill, Pioneer, using PayPal and Skrill, and so many other methods of payment. As you can see here, the number is too high, and you can do this by just people downloading from your files. As you can see here, they are using PayPal, they are using Payasia, web money, Visa. Let me know in your country which method of payment do you prefer, and I'll make videos using that, and I'll make sure you maximize and explain you on detail on how to receive more money in your country. Now before we do that, let me show you in a short while. I'll show you the details on how to use app file upload, and let's go on social media and I'll show you how to sign up everything. And so first of all, let me show you on how to sign up on this file upload site. And whenever you click on the sign up, you'll get to this user registration file, whereby you'll put your name, your email address, your password, and then you'll put information of the payment method, and then you'll choose on which method of payment you use, like PayPal, Perfect Money, Skrill, or Webmaster, or Bitcoin. And please don't forget to comment below on which method of payment you use in your country, and I'll make videos on this. And please let me see, after you you put your registration, you can just click on the submit button. Now the next question is, where are we going to get all these images and photos to upload on our file so that we can start making money? Now the first file I want to show you is Gipher, which is animated images or GIFs that will upload, and they are absolutely free, where you can get them and upload them on their site and get started with making money. When you upload on here and whenever people download, you get more money. And this one, now let's go for example. As you can see here on Facebook, people have shared on these videos and images that are GIFs which are free of charge online, and you can download them and share them with your friends on social media and start making money free of charge from GIFs. And let me show you this. These photos and GIFs are always free, and I want you to go on this site. It's called Giphy or Giphy.com, where you can get most of these videos and photos. As you can see, images, they are free of charge. These are royalty free. Now I want you to search on royalty free photos, and you will see the images that will come up here are always very free for you to use. There are no rights on them, so you'll post on this page, and whenever you post on this free file upload page, you'll start earning money. Now this one, when you got here, you'll search for free, royalty free, and here, as you can see, there are many of them coming up. And whenever you use most of them, you can just download this one here, right click on it, and then you will place to save the image. Whenever it comes to your computer, or you can use this one on your phone, you'll save it and you'll upload here. Now whenever you have now already your account, you can do this over and over and over again. There are many videos, and you have images that you can download, and as you can see here, there are very many. And whenever you download them, make sure you can share on social media and share on your free pages and free GIF images on social media, and people download them and they will use, and whenever they download and share with your friends, whenever they download and use them, you'll get paid on any download. Another site I want to show you is Gipher. Now this one here, you download the emotional GIFs are very tricky GIFs, whereby when people watch them and whenever you share them, they will be downloaded every time and every now and then. And also make sure you upload them, and they are very tricky, and whenever people download them, you'll start also making money like any other person, and you receive money while doing this. As I had planned. Now here is the thing, you make sure you focus on happy, emotional, or hungry, or palm, whereby you receive more money, because these GIFs are very tricky, and whenever you download them, you just click and save them on your phone or on your computer. As you can see here, they are very emotional. As you can see on the computer here, they are very open, and whenever you download them and share them on your social media, as you can see here, my computer, they have downloaded it, and you share it on this side, you'll start making money right away, because these ones are very tricky. Real quick, let me show you how to do this on social media and how to share these free of charge on social media and start making money whenever you share your GIFs, when people download them and start. Now you go to Facebook page and type in animated GIFs. Whenever you come up, you'll find groups and pages where people are free of charge, public ones. You can say on pages, or either you check on groups. You can check on these, or also the groups will come up, and then you can join them and share your GIFs on them. Now pay attention here. Whenever you check on these groups, you'll find that they are free of charge, they are public. Make sure you don't infringe their rights, and then whenever you share them with those groups and the link on those GIFs, you'll start now, people download them, and then make sure you filter them. As you can see here, I'm filtering the groups whenever I want them. Make sure you click on the public ones, and whenever you share them, as you can see, all this you can repeat over and over again. As you can see, these are GIFs that are very emotional and very interesting, and people are going crazy about them. As you can see on social media, like this one for example, he shared this video and also a link on it, and whenever he shared, people have liked it, and he has put a link down there, and people are sharing. As you can see, there are 11 shares and also 20 likes, and 11 shares and 20 likes and 3 comments. As you can see here, people will share it and also will love them. Make sure you repeat this process over and over again using the uploadfile.com. As you can see, whenever you download them, whenever you share them, make sure you put the link on them and then share on social media. These ones will make sure that you receive more money daily and all the time, whenever you are free, whenever you are what. As you can see, these Arnest Digits and social media and Facebook and also YouTube. Make sure you subscribe and also hit the notification panel, and whatever you share it on upload file, and also to be receiving more money on your screen.